आंध्र प्रदेश बीजेपी के सदर P.V.N. माधव ने आज वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी से गैर सगाली मुलाकात की। इस मौके पर माधव ने रियासत में पार्टी को निचली सतह तक मजबूत करने की जरूरत पर जोर दिया। उन्होंने बताया कि वजीर आजम मोदी ने पार्टी के फरोग के लिए कीमती मशवरे दिए और कारकुनों से जुड़ने की अहमियत को उजागर किया। मुलाकात के दौरान उन्होंने रियासत के मसाइल से भी PM मोदी को आगाह किया।
Today I was very fortunate to meet our leader, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. After becoming the State President of Andhra Pradesh, this is the first time I'm meeting him. I seek his blessings and also guidance how to go about the state of Andhra Pradesh. He was very impressed with Andhra's history also, because Andhra at one point of time was equal to Gujarat and Karnataka as party activity, but unfortunately for different reasons we could not surge ahead. So that's the point we discussed. And the moment I said, he was telling about my father also. My father was also first state president of Andhra Pradesh. So he was telling how hard that days used to be, where people used to, Karyakartas used to work too long, too hard and all. So same kind of hardship should be done, and we should roam around the state, meeting every section of the people, and also spread our party to the grassroots levels, work among the youth in a different way, not an as usual political activities. You should look at those issues where the youth are getting attracted to the party. So that kind of a guidance is given, and ask what are the issues that you will be taking up. The first thing I said, the language issue. Our Telugu language is not getting the prominence it used to get because of the establishment stopped the medium.